Athletic Knit. We are a sports apparel manufacturing business. We have over 250 employees, over 1 million jerseys a year. We just love sports, so everything we do is about sports. Hockey's our main sport, so that's the majority of our business. We really pride ourselves in our quality, our service, and what we can do for our customers, and really just working with our customers to get better. I think we live in an Amazon world. Amazon has created the monster that everything needs to be same day, next day, as fast as possible. So when you look at it, I think that goes with jerseys as well. People can't understand why a custom jersey that's fully decorated is 4 weeks. So to adjust to the marketplace, we started looking at trying to get faster. And that's where one of the solutions that we came up with was 3D printing. So I think with embroidery, it's an amazing process. It makes a jersey look incredible. One of the problems with embroidery is you need a ton of machinery. So each machine can only do so much. To keep costs down, one of the things we've done is begin importing patches, but there's a lag time between getting them from China. Part of your delivery time is based on how fast it is to get here, which we think with 3D printing, a lot of those steps could disappear. When I personally thought of 3D printing, I really thought of plastic. The more I've learned it, the ability of what 3D printing can do to match what twill looks like, it's unbelievable, right? Like we've now created a product that almost looks the same as twill. I think for a business our size, just one-off printers becomes very challenging. Every time you have to set things up and have a person running it, it's just added cost. With Array, the great thing is once you get it set up and you have so many printers running at once that it speeds up your process so much, and it's one person, one spot, one system that really can print almost anything you can imagine in a really short period of time. With the filament and material with 3D printing, it allows us to customize things way easier. What it also allows us to do is on individual orders, such as a custom number or a custom name or even a custom logo, it just allows us to do smaller batches easier. I think cost is always a factor in everything. It's great to be a revolutionary in anything, but if the cost becomes too high, it becomes useless. So for us, that was one of the key factors. And what we found is we can get our costing pretty much in line. And for things like custom, it becomes unbelievable. I think as a jersey manufacturer, the truth is we're not 3D printers. So as you're learning new materials and as you're learning how to do things, getting the help of experts is what's needed. So for us, Mosaic Solutions was amazing. Mosaic Solutions helped structure it, test it, and they turned something that was really thick and plastic looking into something that basically looked like the material we were looking for and is getting closer to making it a viable product that we're going to launch to market. I think being able to get faster will definitely be one of our big goals over the next decade. And the more that we can come up with unique solutions like the Array, the more that dream becomes a reality.